Okay, guys, welcome back to Monster Truck 2022 and to Walmart again. I found the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Dodge Charger RT 1970, which is totally tuned. That's another series. Includes crushed car, of course, which we don't care about because they should change it, which they never do. Dodge Charger RT, guys. Named 1970 Dodge Charger RT, truck type muscle, strength, Hemi engine, crash attack, horsepower, hustle. So now I need two more for this case, which is Tire Shark and Demo Dory, which I probably might not unbox those. No, you know what? Yeah, because I deleted the other videos. So yeah, those two, and I'm done with this case. Here we go. Further ado, let's go ahead and now open this baby. Ooh, okay. Look how nice this is. I love the scratches on the paint. Look at that. It looks so nice. It's actually scratched. It's cool. There's a side panel. The exhaust ports. The engine insert, the little paint, and chrome front, rear. Oh, chrome, grill. The taillight printing, 1978 Dodge is on the thing. I love how it looks scratched, which is nice. I love that. Chrome blue bead locks, black rims, black roll cage, silver chassis. That's all I bought today, guys. I'm going to get more soon. And like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.